What's up, Reboot team? It's your boy Sebastian and I'm back with another video. Yeah, in today's video, we're in the kitchen. Who's hungry? I sure am. I'm going to break down and show y'all how to cook it, cut it, season it, and I think today's video I decided to make chicken and broccoli vegetable with rice. I don't know a name for it. Maybe y'all could help me out. After I'm done with the meal, I would like for y'all to help me out with a name for this meal. I'm hungry, you're hungry, let's get it on.
Alright y'all, here are the ingredients for today's meal prep. Now we got 2 packs of chicken, but we're definitely not going to use them all. We're only going to use what we're going to eat after this meal is done. The rest, you put away, you refrigerate it, you eat it throughout the day, maybe tomorrow, next week. No, not next week. But be sure to rinse out your chicken. And after doing so, dry it off with a paper towel. Get all that wetness off because you want it dried out just right. So that way the seasoning will stick perfectly right. Alright, after you cut your meat, be sure to slice it down the middle and slice it just across to have 4 pieces on 1 piece of meat. Then what you're going to do is drizzle some olive oil on your meat and let's get ready to shake this up. Make sure it's shooken well, open it up and get ready for the seasoning. I like to use lemon. I like to use chili powder. I also like to use garlic and herb seasoning. Also black pepper, but again, you can use your own seasoning. This is just for my taste buds. And also be sure to shake up the container again. Get all that seasoning up in there. And there you have it. Presto, alakazam. Be sure to preheat your stovetop at medium, add some olive oil, and throw your chicken right up in there. Yummy, that already looks good. Be sure to layer and spread out your chicken evenly so it all cooks thoroughly through. You don't want undercooked meat, that's for sure. Now while the meat is cooking, let's go ahead and prep up the vegetables. Now y'all be careful cutting up your vegetables. Don't chop off your fingers. I don't want to be responsible for that. If you don't know how to chop up vegetables, go ahead and watch a YouTube video. I'm sure you'll get some great education on how not to chop off your fingers. Now as you see here, I got everything in the containers because I'm not using everything. I'm going to storage some of it so I don't have to do this again. It's called prepping. Now we're going to preheat the rice and get that going here. Be sure to add 1 bottle of water, 1.5 cups of rice in your pot. So be sure to simmer that. Be sure to stir it up and do your thing. I'm sure everybody knows how to cook rice by now. Okay, by now your chicken should be thoroughly cooked. You've been flipped it. I hope y'all flipped it. Go ahead and throw in your vegetables, your onion, your red peppers, and your broccoli. Now in this video, like I said, add everything in, but except in this video as I'm showing you, I'm prepping it my way. I'm also finna eat as soon as I'm done with this meal here too. Okay, we're fast forwarding here. This is my meat that I'm storing in the refrigerator. Go ahead and put that away. Now go ahead and add the rice. You don't have to use the whole pot. Go ahead and use just enough. I would say keep in mind small portions. You want to eat small portions. That's the goal here. You want to be able to eat 6 to 5 meals a day in this reboot training. And there you have it, your meal. Be sure to enjoy it, and not only enjoy it, but leave me a comment.